Okay, we're now live on YouTube. Uh, in the meantime, Jennifer, wait, let me see. Jennifer, I'm signing Alfred Cantu, who's in the hospital.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Ron Moyes,
Hey,
they're going to dismiss the resisting arrest case, and on the theft case, they're going to give you 11 days judgment sat. Take care of it.
but do I get time served already
Yeah, that's what I mean. JSAT is time served.
okay.
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 All right.
Okay, so let me see if I got this right. I've got paperwork on my screen from Mr. Garcia for the case 80 ending in 91. That's the theft case. So he's going to plead on that. Is that right?
Yes, Judge.
And then he's going to be they're going to TIC the resisting arrest case.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pull up our paperwork. Okay, so then I have Mr. Garcia. Can I ask you to raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is your name Ronald Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Ronald Garcia?
Yes,
Who
sir.
in this cause number CC656601, who is charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $500 and $1,500. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
That is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So that to the offense of theft of property, something having a value between $500 and $1,500, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. It is a $0 fine plus court cost, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2024 CC7 36962.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Valdez?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Garcia, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 CC 736-962. That means that case will be dismissed and returned for your plea in this case. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Jerry?
He's got a hold from Hays County, Judge.
Okay, so as far as this case is concerned, these cases no longer hold you. The only thing holding you is a Hays County case, okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you,
Garcia.
Jerry.
Thank you,
You can
Judge.
be
See you
excused.
later.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks, Keely.
You're welcome.
Okay. So we're waiting on Keith Baker on Sean Guerra.
Yes, Judge, he said he'll be logging on in 5 minutes.
Okay. Now,
And
let
on
me
the-
see. Go ahead.
On the bond docket, number 10, Michael Hernandez, he refused to leave the cell.
Number 10. Refuse. So does that take care of all the bond cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so then we don't have to worry about calling Teresa Garcia anymore, right? Okay, and Jennifer, let me see. Let me share my screen 1 minute. Jennifer, are you still here?
Yes, Judge.
Thanks for waiting. What about Michael Hernandez?
He's the one that refused to leave the cell,
He
Judge.
refused to leave the cell. Okay.
MAJP 6167, MAJP 6167.
Let's see. Stephanie Quintanilla,
He's also a refusal, Judge.
Diesel.
G Salazar 5163, G Salazar 5163. February and Drive.
Okay, so does that take care of
6147.
everybody on the bond docket?
Yes, Judge, I believe that's everything.
Okay, then can I go ahead and excuse Jennifer? You have everything you need?
Correction.
Yes, have everything.
Okay.
Thank you, Jennifer.
Thank
Jennifer,
you.
you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. See you tomorrow.
All right, now let me see. Ms. Taylor, I'm signing that case at your TIC right now. This is 14. Six. I'll send out that dismissal. And that Ronald Garcia paperwork that I have on my screen now for 62, that's the one that was dismissed, so I'm going to trash that. So basically, all we're waiting on now is Sean Guerra with Kenneth Baker, right? We'll take this off YouTube for right now. But nobody's excused, sorry. We're at the situation again, we're waiting for one more attorney.